Before you start checking the concentricity or lateral runout of the brake disc, the vehicle should first be prepared by removing the wheel, brake caliper, and brake caliper support. Fasten the brake disc with all lug nuts and matching washers to obtain an accurate and meaningful measurement result. Tighten the lug nuts evenly by applying approximately 20 to 30 Newton-meters of torque. Clean the measuring surface of the brake disc using a suitable brake cleaner, for example. Now you can attach the dial gauge to the suspension strut with the magnetic holder. If non-magnetic suspension struts are fitted, you can use the piston resetting tool for this purpose, as is the case here. Place the dial gauge approximately 10 to 15 millimeters below the outer edge of the disc and align with 0. Mark this starting point on the brake disc using a marker pen, for example. Now turn the brake disc in the direction of travel and read the measured value on the dial gauge while making one complete revolution. You may need to repeat this step several times. Deviations should not exceed 0.070 millimeters. In this example, the deviation is within tolerance and is therefore OK. Please also observe the repair notes provided by the respective vehicle manufacturer. If deviations that exceed the defined tolerance are determined, the state of the wheel hub and bearing should be considered as further fault sources. Watch the video entitled "Checking the Concentricity of the Wheel Hub."